Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is an unboxing. I had Stationery Pal reach out to me a few weeks ago and ask if I would receive some of their products and do an unboxing on my channel. This is an unsponsored review, unboxing. I'm not going to review the stuff, it's stationery, but they just asked if they could send me a box of stuff. I think it was about $50 worth, which is about £39 in the UK, which is where I am. So I picked some items from their site because I hadn't seen their website before. I had a little rummage and a scribble through, and I'll be honest, I was mainly very interested in their washi tapes because my washi tape addiction knows no bounds, and their washi tapes are really reasonable prices. They're like about 89p, so I'll be interested to see if you're getting a decent amount of washi for that when we open. I haven't opened or touched this yet. I've saved it for first impressions with you guys. The information about the company will be down below, so you can have a look on the site if you want to. I have no idea about shipping costs. This is a China-based company, so I don't know what it would be. You would have to check what the shipping would be to get this to wherever you are. Apart from that, they're just a stationery company online. So when you open this cute little box, we have, okay, that's gorgeous. We've got a little Stationery Pal teddy, all wrapped in bubble wrap to keep things safe. Little love heart bubble wrap. I'm not gonna lie, everything will be used again. I live that life. Got a little thank you for being there, just like a collaboration thank you. Oh, now these aren't anything I ordered. These are just little bits of extra cuteness on top. We've got this little guy. Actually, I love that. Keeping. Got a little hat that says love. A bell. This is getting very random. A rattle. Got some little clips in here is what that looks like. These are so cute. Yep, clips. A badge. You seem to get these free with all kinds of things, these badges, these little printed badges. We've got lots of raffia paper and little pieces. I will use all this. I always reuse my wrapping for things. It goes in a little bag I have in my wrap drawer, and I prefer to reuse rather than throw. We just need to unstick them from the edges of our tapes. Bear with me. I'm going to lift away and pop it into the lid for now. Keep it together so I can pop it back in the box afterwards. Right. Okay. Okay, there's another guy I didn't order. Oh, I like him. Right, one key ring. That was not one of the items that I chose. But I'm not sad about that. He's kind of cute. We've got a little astronaut. Right, so getting into the items that I actually added, I asked for some stamps because I love stamps. We've got a butterfly set and these cute flower sets. These were really, really inexpensive. I think they were like £1 something. Got this little set of musical notes, bows, so little border stamps like little pots and cups and shelves. That is cute. I don't know how well these stamp. I haven't tried anything. Right, let's see. The other thing that I was quite interested in is the watercolor paper pads. We've got these three. One is, they're both cotton, acid free apparently, but I'm pretty sure, if I remember right, one was cold press and one was not. So we've got both versions of the watercolour paper pads that they sell. Kind of about an A5 sort of size. And then I added a notebook. I love these notebooks. I love the dotted notebooks. I find them really useful for channel memo stuff, and it was a really nice looking version. We'll take the plastic off and I'll show you. Let's see what the quality is inside. Oh, it's like a really nice faux soft leather feel. That is actually a really nice feeling folder. And you've got the dot pages. They are numbered, and we have 188 pages. And then in the back, you've got your little wallet for putting bits and pieces. I like that. That is a really nice folder. You've got a couple of contents pages in the front as well. Do like that notebook. So yeah, not sad about that either. Dotted, indexed and numbered pages. So you can write your glossary in the front if you want to. Put that back together. They do those in numerous colours. I picked the grey one because that's what I wanted. Right. Washi. Let's get into the joys of life. So, like I say, these washes, they were about 79p. So I'm actually quite impressed that you get a decentish roll. I picked these almost iridescent plastic ones in, did I pick another colour? Yeah. A pink, an orange and a clear. So those are pretty, they're making my camera go crazy. And then I got a couple of check ones. It's been long enough that I can't remember what I actually ordered. This orange check and this multicoloured kind of plaid effect. I got one, I think I just got a plain white. I just liked the idea. It's not something that I actually have, just for a change, so I've got one. Let's see now. I'm going to unbag them because I want to see how much you get on the rolls. I got this beautiful, I don't know if you can actually tell, but it's a really gorgeous kind of night sky. Can you see that? Beautiful star effect. Galaxy there. And that is actually really nice. And you get a decent amount. I think some of these bigger ones were £1 something. Can't really go wrong with that. I got it in a blue, so that's the same, but like a blue effect. I'm going to refocus, right. And then I've got this purple with gold stars. This is like an antiqued butterfly effect. I think there's butterflies and roses on this. If I open that out a little bit, you'll be able to see it better. That gorgeous vintage tape there. I love washi tape. I have an actual problem. I got this really beautiful like blossom branches with just silver dots over top. I know, way too much washi. And then I got this constellation set. It's like a reddy purple, and it's got the gold constellations on there. Again, let's have a little look, see what you actually get. So you get 4 rolls in the box. Cannot remember what price this was. Ooh, oh, got a little tube. I'm wrecking stuff. Yeah, again, a decent amount of washi on there. My dog's arrived, ignore the snuffling. And then, oh, more washi in cute little boxes. We have these two, masking tape. Let's see, don't want to wreck the pretty boxes. I got this, let's see if we can unroll it so we can see it. This gorgeous, look at that. With the, is it stalks? Are they stalks? And the skyline in the green. And then the other, pop that back in there. I like those little boxes. The other, I'm going to assume they match their boxes, and they are a little flower set this time. Yeah, we've got this purple, blue, lilac flower set. Again, decent amount of washi tape there. That is a beautiful package to receive. A lovely gift, I'm sure. So yeah, that is what I got. As I say, details will be in the description box below for the stationery pal company. I'm going to flick all my pieces of paper back in, and then we can pop our packing back into the box for now, so we don't end up everywhere. They're beautifully presented. I'm wondering if they always come this way, if this is how they pack for a customer, would be nice to know. And yeah, I'm glad I said yes. I'm not gonna lie, I like the items they sent to me, like everything I received. Can't go wrong with some washi tape. So we've got the notepad. I know, a ridiculous amount of washi tape. I love these iridescent ones and the night sky ones. The 2 watercolour pads and the 3 stamp sets, which I'll put this on top or it starts going crazy. And yeah, I hope you found this useful, guys, interesting in some ways. And if it's a company you've not seen before, which I think you will do, because I assume they will be sending them to a lot of content creators at the moment. They tend to follow suit, most companies like that. But I thought I'd show you what I got in mine. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy the videos. Do subscribe to the channel if you enjoy my content. If you have any questions about what I received and I can help you with it, then pop your questions in the comments down below. I'm always happy to help wherever I can. And I'll see you in the next video.